Yeah, this is all about conditional formatting in Excel. It is very important. What is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting makes spreadsheets of complex data easier to ready by formatting cells based on the data contained. Means on the basis of data, we can easily format the sheet, format the cell, and easily read the data by having the conditional formatting option in our Excel. Now, where you will get the conditional formatting option? In the Home tab, you will get conditional formatting option. With the help of conditional formatting, if you will click on conditional formatting, then suppose that if you want to have conditional formatting, then highlight that column or the data where you want to have conditional formatting. Then when you will highlight that data or select that data and click on conditional formatting, then you will get highlight cell rules. Click the cursor over there. Highlight cell rule option will be there. Click on that. After that, you will have different options visible, that is greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a data occurring, duplicate values. Means depending on the condition, depending on the different conditions, we can just apply conditional formatting in our sheet. Here we are applying conditional formatting on the conditions of the text that is in a particular cell. Now, if you will click on that, there you will get format cell that contain the text CTL. Means there is a sheet in which we are having the text CTL in one cell or many cell we can say. So I want that cell to be highlighted or have different colors. Light red filled with dark red text means what? That cell will be filled with light red color, and that text which are in that cell will have dark red text. Dark red text. Or you can choose the different formatting by just clicking on this drop down. You will get different option over there. You can just click on that. Light red fill, okay. Yeah. You will get the sheet over here. After using conditional formatting, you will get the sheet which is having the text CTL with different colors. Means easily you can read or find out that particular text in a sheet. If you want to find particular text in a sheet which is having large amount of data, then you can apply conditional formatting and you can easily find the text in a sheet. Now, if you want to have conditional formatting in the extended price, then you can just select the extended price column, click on conditional formatting, color scale, put cursor over there. You will get the color scale over there. You can just check the color scale and easily you can have the color scale in your sheet. Like this, you will get the. Now, cancelling rule. If you apply conditional formatting in the sheet and if you want to cancel all the rules or the formatting which you have applied in the sheet, how you can cancel those rules which we applied in our sheet. Now you will click on conditional formatting. You will get clear rules over there. Clear rules. When you click on that, automatically all the rules, if you want to clear rules for selected cells, or you want to clear the rules from entire sheet, both you can do with the help of clear rule option. This is all about conditional formatting. Now what I will have the practical session for it. Wait for a while. Yes, now you can observe over here. Yeah, or wait for me. Yes, now it is visible to all of you. Fine. So what we can have conditional formatting on order ID. Just I will click on order ID, highlight cell rules, text that contain. No, we will not have this one. We will have different. We'll have yeah, customer name. We will have conditional formatting. We'll click on it. Text that contain customer name. In customer name, what is the name? Or simply we have selected here only one cell, that is your customer name. But for conditional formatting, I have to select column entire column. I will select column entire column over here, and we can just apply conditional formatting. Yeah, text that contain, we will have Brosina Hoffman. Brosina Hoffman over here. What I will do, I will select the color over here, light red fill, or you can custom format. Yeah, automatically, or if you want to select some color, you can select apply over here. But if we will have green fill with dark green text, okay, we will have this. Now you can see over here the text which I have selected, that will be seen in green color, dark green, and filled with light green color over here. Now this is all about the conditional formatting, and now we will select the city, click on conditional formatting. If you want to have color scales, different color scales are available. Wait. Okay, not total. Actually, it is having lots of data. So what we will have only few things over here. Wait. Yeah, we will have this much data only. Yeah, or we can just no, we can't select all. So what we will do, Control C and we will click on new. Yeah, fine. Yeah. So in city, currently we are having this much city over here. Yeah. Now, if you want to have conditional formatting, just select that. You can use color scales. Oh, it is not working. Or okay, duplicate values equal to duplicate values. Okay, fine. So these all things are available over here, greater than, less than, and these all things will work in mathematical operations or the mathematical calculation sheet where these all types of data are available. Now, if you want to have top bottom rules, you can apply definitely over there. Data bars is also there. Color scales are there, but color scales are not working. Why it is not working, I'm not getting. So let me check with other things. But at first, we'll have okay. So this is all about conditional formatting. You can clear the rules. If you want to clear, you can just select all. You can clear the rules, clear rules from entire sheet, and it will get cleared. Already it is showing over there that these all cells are having green color, but now it is not having any type of color because I have cleared the conditional formatting rules. Now wait for a while. Okay, so this is all about conditional formatting. Now the next is find and replace. Find and replace. Let me show you how we can have the things in find and replace. Okay. Yes, this is the data which we are having in our sheet, and in this sheet there is large amount of data, but I don't know how much data it is having. But I want to replace all the text which is having Canada from India. So what we'll do, just we will have control F, and you can type here Canada, find next. Means find next, if you will click, then it will take lots of time. So what we'll do, we'll click on find all. Find all. There are number of Canadas are there. So if I want to replace Canada with India, you have to click replace all the Canada will be replaced by India. Okay, done. India, 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 over here India. Means wherever there is Canada in the entire sheet, it will get converted or it will get replaced by the value which you will insert for it. This is all about find and replace in our sheet. If you want to find any type of data, if you don't know, then you can find it and you can replace it in your sheet. Entire sheet data you can find particular data and you can replace it. Now the next thing is all about filter. Why we create filter? I want to create filter over here. Yeah, I want to create filter over here. So what we will do, I will just create filter. Yeah, filter has been applied to all the headings, we can say, of the columns. Now here you can see France, Germany, India, Mexico, United States of America. Means the data from the data from all the seats, means all the country it is showing. The data from all the country it is showing. Now what we will do, I want only the data from Germany. Germany. So what we will do, I will uncheck all and we will leave only Germany. See, only Germany data it is showing. Only Germany data it is showing. Suppose there is 1000 data we are having, 1000 rows we are having. So we can't just check all the rows from top to bottom. What we will do, we will just create filter. After creating the filter, you can just get the specific value which you want. Whatever the value you want, that value you can find out and you can get in a fraction of minutes, we can say, fraction of seconds, we can say. Means within 4 to 5 seconds, you can have that value. If I want Germany and India, we'll click on Germany and India. You will get the data of Germany and India. Same, if you want to have the date, here is 2014 and 2013. I want only 2014 date. 2014 date. I will just deselect it, deselect it, deselect it. Okay. Only 2014 date you will get over here. You can see over here. Only 2014 date. So with the help of filter, you can easily identify the data which you want to find in a large set of data, or there are large number of rows and columns are available. In that rows and column, you can find your data with the help of filter. This is all about filter, how to create filter. Already I have explained about to find and replace, creating filter. Now find and select. Already I have explained you about the find and replace. If you want to replace any item, you can replace it. Now, next is, wait for a while. Yes, date and time function in your Excel sheet. Date and time function in your Excel sheet. If you want to have date and time function in your Excel sheet, just you can just put in any cell is equal to today, opening bracket, close bracket. You will get today's date over there. Today's date over there. Next is equal to now, bracket, bracket, means let me have the theoretical part and practical part at the same time. Wait. Yeah. This one is to enter date in Excel, use the today function. Let me see. Wait. Yeah. So here is your sheet. What you will do, you want to have the date over here. So what you can type, just is equal to today. This one is your today date. Wait, just let me have some enlarged part so that it's must be easily visible. So what I have inserted in this cell is equal to today. Yeah, today's date it will show. Wherever you want, you can just put is equal to today. If you don't know the date today, so you can put over there and you will get the today's date. Now the next is, yeah. And if you want to have current date and time both, then you can use is equal to now function. Is equal to now function. I will put over here is equal to now function. is equal to now this one is your yeah, this one is your today's date and the time. You can see over here the time 2:42. 2:42. This is all about the now function and today's function. Now the next is, if you want to have the time format, only time if you want, then what you will do, now opening bracket, close bracket, hyphen, today, opening bracket, close bracket, then you will get the time, only time you will get. Next is, to enter the current date as a static value, press Control plus semicolon. Let me check what happened after pressing Control plus semicolon.
Semicolon.
Yeah. What it is showing? Only the date. Means today's date if you want. You can get it. Control plus semicolon. Now, date and time as according to your value, AM, PM also if you want. Then you can get with the help of Control Shift semicolon. Let me check. Control Shift semicolon. Control Shift. No, AM, PM it is not showing. Control Shift and then semicolon. It is not taking. Wait for a while. Next. Control Shift plus semicolon. You will get date and time also. And next is, this is all about the date and time for means for your Excel sheet. If you want to insert date and time, you can have it with the help of these functions. Yeah. Now, wait for a while. Conditional formatting is over. Find and replace is also over. Now, let me have one session for your this one. Wait. No. Okay, now how many of you know about the graph and all? Graph and chart. You all know about graph and chart in Excel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check. Now we can understand the basic things about how to create formulas in Excel. You conduct a mathematical calculation in Excel by typing a simple formula into a cell. An Excel formula always begins with an equal to sign. This all you have to remember. Whenever you put any formula in your Excel file, then you have to put equal to sign at first in the beginning, then you can write the formula. There are simple mathematical operators for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the operators which we use in our Excel. Now, here is one example which is having for gas and utilities. For gas in January, 5.30 units, we can say. So, if you want to add any two number in a cell, you can just do is equal to the cell name plus another cell name. That is, here you can see over here is equal to B4, that is your 5.30, and in your B6, that is 66.80. You can just add it with the help of this formula. Now, you may copy the same formula onto the series of cells. Yes, definitely you can copy and expand it. Okay. Now, what is page layout? Page layout, you all know about your Excel. If you will talk about page layout, then here you can set margins. You can have the orientation, that is portrait and landslide. As default, there are no borders around cells. For printing, there are two ways to print borders around cells. Grid lines, this way adds grid lines around the cells in the table. Click on page layout tab, click on page setup group, click on sheet tab, check grid lines, click on OK. When you click on grid lines, then definitely the borders will be available when you do printout of your document. This is all about the borders. Or before only, you can have all borders. You can select the item, click on all border as I have explained you before. Click on all border will be inserted in your sheet. This is all about the borders uh, around your cells. Page layout, if we talk about page layout, there is orientation. The vertical dotted line specifies the right border of a page in a spreadsheet. You may change the page orientation from portrait to landslide. Here is the orientation. If you will click on orientation, you will get two things. Here you can see portrait and landslide. Portrait means vertically the page setup, and landslide means horizontally. Now you may adjust the width of the columns to fit the columns into a page. If you are unable to fit the column into the page, then you can adjust according to your choice, according to your wish, we can say. Double click the border between the titles of two columns to automatically adjust the column width. Drag the border between the titles of two columns to adjust the column width. Means in page setup, you will get how much margin you want. You can set the margin accordingly. You can set the footer and header also. You all know about header and footer. Header is the top portion and the footer is the bottom. You will get the footer. Now margins. To adjust the margin of a page, in a page layout tab, click on margins icon and select custom margin option. Select custom margin option over there. Change margins and click on OK. This is all about the things. This is column and pie chart. Column chart to show monthly expenses. Column chart to show the comparison of expenses in selected months, or a pie chart to see the percentage amount of each category, we can say. Now we'll have different session for the explanation of different types of charts, column chart, pie chart, line chart, area chart, or line graph, we can say. So for graph and chart, we will have different session. Now